If your steak never gets that deep, crispy brown crust, you're not doing anything wrong. You're just fighting food science. The real culprit isn't your pan, your technique, or your seasoning. It's water. Even the thinnest layer of surface moisture instantly cools a hot pan. And the moment that temperature drops, you fall out of the Maillard reaction zone, the critical heat range where browning, aroma, and that savory steakhouse flavor are created. Moisture also creates surface tension, which makes droplets cling stubbornly to the meat. Those droplets act like tiny heat shields, blocking direct contact between the steak and the pan. More steam, less sear. But here's the simple fix. A steak must start bone dry. Pat it dry. Leave it uncovered in the fridge. Do whatever it takes to remove surface moisture, because only then can heat transfer efficiently and give you that restaurant-quality crust. Master this one rule, and every steak you cook will taste better. Subscribe for more food science, and check the linked short for your quick 5-step searing guide.